Hi, I'm going to show you how to find your grade report and to view all of your assignments once they've been graded, or if you need to find them all in a list, it's the easiest way is to go to your grade report, which will be your transcripts when you complete your courses. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm doing this right from my phone. So it's very easy to work with from your phone. You don't have to go to a computer. You can, it's a little bit bigger and easier, but this will be just fine working from my phone. And I have my new iPhone, so I'm not really that great at doing without a keyboard, without using my keyboard, which was much easier. Okay, for me. But anyways, on my home screen, I have saved my sign-in icon. You can see here, it's the orange with the little graduation cap on top of the M, which stands for our school platform. So let's click on it to open up our course site and be sure that you log in. Let's see, when you log out, this is what it's going to look like when you first go to sign in. So be sure that you save all of your login, makes it a lot easier. And I do recommend that the first time you log in that you copy and paste your password so that you're not typing it in, because our phones tend to add on a space automatically. So just copy and paste it. Now, go to your courses, which on at the top left corner, you'll see the 3 white lines. Click on that, and that will bring my courses with a drop-down menu when you click on it again, and then find your course. So let's go to the classic eyelash extensions, which is the class I'm going to show you here. So you can, of course, find all of your assignments right here by just scrolling down. But to see them all at once, let's go back to the top right where it has your name. That has my name up on here. I'm showing you my KBI online site. I'm logged in, but it will be your name because you're logged in. And then when you click on that, it shows you a drop-down menu. Just ignore all of the other comments there, all of the other tabs, except for my grades or course grades. So click on course grades if it shows it. Yep, so it highlights, and then you'll see it's a user report. That's perfect. If for some reason it goes to a overview report, which will show you all of your courses in the summary of your grades, you want to go back and click it to the user report, okay? So user report will show all of your assignments in the grade view, report view, which is much easier to see, to find, and to submit them. And also you'll see any comments and final grades. If there's something I want to draw attention to, I will put in the final comments. But if you want to see all of your aspects on your rubric grading report, then click on the assignment. The brown links, the topic links, are always an active link. So you can click on it and it will open up your comments. So you'll see if you go all the way down to the bottom, your submission status will submit for grading, and then you'll see your grade report with exactly what the comments were and the feedback. Here it is. So here's feedback. You have to go all the way down to feedback, and I will highlight the categories. And then I'll even put comments there. And then I usually put a final comment graded by. So here, this is just my example. I didn't have any comments, but that's the best way to view each of your assignments that you've submitted, is to go back to these assignment numbers and click on the orangey brown link, and that will open up the report, and then you just have to scroll all the way past the examples. You can even edit your submissions easily from there, and you will see the rubric where your instructor grades it, and they will also put comments there. All right, so that's easy to see. If you want to go back to your course from the other view, then just go back to my courses, Eyelash Extensions Classic, and you should read each of these as well. When will my assignments be graded? Click on it to read, and then you'll have all the topics. I tend to try to keep them closed because otherwise it's a lot of examples there. Also, here's the whole site orientation video, which will show you how to go and find your resources from the iPhone, from a phone, any smartphone.
So I'm making this short
you can
video
watch
to show you around
as well.
How to get.
Let's see if I can find my way back now on my new phone. It's a little bit hard for me. Okay, that's okay. So it will show you that video. Here is, let's go back to Eyelash. Sorry, go back to my Eyelash course. All right. So the manual is there. You can click on this to get your download link. It's a very large file, so you have to go to the Dropbox. And when you double click on that, okay, there, it will open it up in a Dropbox. I'll double check that link there, but it will open it all up. Okay, so I hope that helps. And let me just see here. I go back to my Zoom. Stop sharing. There you go. Okay. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to message us. Send an email is probably the best way for anything that's lengthy. And we're here to help you. So have fun and happy lashing.